Sa cross-court talaga.
1-2. NU. Greg Ancheta. Smart play here for NU.
Nagpaparamdam na rin agad etong si Ancheta.
They need to come up with more. Obed Bukaba. But it went long. Sealed out.
Apat pa rin na puntos itong kalamangan ng CSB Blazers.
Si Coach Dante on cam eh. Parang hindi mo si second guess kung ano nasa isip niya.
Hindi mo alam kung ano yung tumatakbo eh.
Cool, calm, and collected. But of course, there's going to be some gossip concern here for NU. They're still down. Oh! Betko. It's going to be a point here para sa NU. Derecho. Palo. Gallego this time in the service area. Villanueva with that set. Trying to make up for it. There's going to be a joust here. And tumama na sa tele. Three points away on CSB to take a commanding 2-0 lead here in this match. The expense of NU, and this guy has been very efficient. Rocky Motol, another good sharp serve. The joust, and CSB will get the point.
Nabasa na ito ni Betko na papunta sa kanya. Kaya hindi niya na hinayaang gawan pa ng paraan ni Abanilla.
Another sharp serve by Rocky Motol. Abanilla, ball still up. Kind of scrambling here on NU. Let's see. Good attack, good decision. Who else? Luke Makatangay.
Siya pa rin talaga ang tinakbuhan nito ni Ancheta.
Down by 4. We're seeing some great effort here for NU. Trying to avoid to be down 2 sets. Oh, that's... It was out.
Miss-hit by Ostero.
Nga. Sa tunog pa lang eh.
Kumbaga sa bilyar, ang tumapyok.
Tumapyok, tama. Yan. It's Villanueva. Bad set. And the block point. DL Bandola conniving there to get the point. And CSB, it's really a cause of concern now. They're just up by 2. Makinig tayo kay Coach Arnold.
Anyway, sige. Nasaan ka ba? Nandito ka? O dito mumba ka, tapos sila ka sa gitna. Bukang lang.
Dalawa pa tayo.
Sabi ko sa inyo, basta pag moving si Chris, binigay niya ng mataas doon, naka-establish ang gitna. Ngayon ko lang gitna na makapal na cross. Maninipis. Hindi naman sila bumabagsak ng gano'n eh.
Tara, isa lang. Isang side out lang.
Sangga pa.
Taking care of a 2-point lead. And let's see. Kailangan may constant reminder pa rin eh, bago papunta na ng finish line kung sakasakali for CSB.
Tsaka ang instruction ni Coach Arnold, padaanin doon sa gilid ng kamay ng mga blockers.
Coming off a timeout, they delivered. And we are now at 3 set points.
Paluin lang daw ng manipis. And ayun nga yung resulta.
Adrian Estero is serving for the set. Make it simple. Let's engage in a rally. Matt Bandola, 1 set point saved.
Pinalo niya na ng down the line.
Choi Diao. Betko.
Nakita niyang nakabantay na si Obed Mukabad sa cross court. Kaya kinatshot na lang.
Well, winning another set for the Blazers here.